jolly Christmas.
What's up, Knot Gang, Team Knot, and everybody watching this video. If you are new to my channel, welcome. If you are already, part of Knot Gang, you already know the vibes. Today, y'all, this video is going to be simple. It's going to be fast. As everybody that's already on my channel know, this will be day 2 of Vlogmas. And for dinner, I am making salmon and shrimp Alfredo, and I just really want to share this with y'all because if you know I love to cook and I love to eat too, and salmon and shrimp is one of my favorite. So we just about to see how this go. My sister with me, but she in there doing her own thing right now, so the girls is by themselves. Before we get into this video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, leave some comments down below. If you try cooking this salmon at home, this salmon pasta at home, be sure to let me know how it is down in the comments. Excuse my head, it's really big right now. But I'm not gonna hold y'all, we're gonna get right into this video. First, I'm gonna just start by showing y'all everything that I'm working with, and today we got Alfredo sauce. We do got traditional Alfredo sauce, and we got the 4 cheese kind, because me being me and how I like my pasta, I like 2 different types of sauces because I wanted to have 2 different tastes, and regardless of what kind you get, you must get 4 cheese. Like, they put the icing on the cake when it comes to Alfredo. So next, y'all, got the pasta noodles. You eat pasta, you make pasta, anything, you're familiar with these, y'all know. I don't know what just made me want to get the little bow tie noodles, but these are the noodles that I got. So tonight we will be cooking with the bow tie noodles pasta. Next, y'all, I got my bag of shrimp, and I have this stuff all wet, and I really don't want to be touching it, but y'all can see I got my salmon. Gonna cut that up into pieces, gonna season it, and we're gonna get this thing going. Okay, so right now we just have the salmon cut up really nice in chunks, and we got the shrimp that I am gonna cut up. I'm not gonna cut the shrimp up too much, y'all, but we're gonna cut it up a little bit. So yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all when I put the seasonings on. Okay, y'all, so the seasonings that we will be using to season the meat is onion powder. I have my onion powder. I have some Creole seasoning. If you don't know, this is it. I have this Kinder seasoning, which is a blend of salt, pepper, and garlic. I really love this seasoning. I use it a lot. I'm not gonna lie. Next we have our New Orleans Cajun seasoning. Top tier for sure. This is it. And I'm also, when I get done, I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of this on top of my pasta because it's very good. And lastly, we have Slap Your Mama. I know y'all know about the Slap Your Mama. If you don't, I'm putting you down. So we're going to season this little good stuff on up real good. Ta-da! Yes. I'm not sure why the water is looking like it got little bubbles in it. It's very clean, but we got the water started. Got some salt in there with it. Make sure you add some salt. You don't have to add a lot. Just add enough, you know, to be able to taste. That what you call helping me cook? That what you call helping me cook?
I'm in the kitchen to be company.
Y'all, this is crazy.
I was gonna help you cook. What you want me to do? You done did everything.
Basically, my sister is giving me the trigger, y'all. Man, my sister is tricking me into cooking for her every day. Now I'm just playing on cap, y'all. She made some chicken last night and that junk was bussin'. Okay, so as y'all can see, we got some butter in the pan. It's melted. So now I'm just gonna add all of my meats to the pan with the butter. I'm going to cook the salmon and the shrimp in the same pan. So yeah, I don't think I can scoop this off while I'm holding it. So hold on 1 second. Got it in there. We're now waiting for it to cook a little. Of course, we're gonna stir it around as it's cooking. And now y'all, I'm about to add the noodles in because the water is, you know, starting to boil. Add the noodles in here. And yeah. Okay, so as y'all can see, the meats are cooking. I added a little oil to the pan. So I'll let y'all know when it's done cooking. Okay, next y'all, we have our garlic breadsticks that I am about to put in the oven because everything is looking about done over here. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the garlic bread in the oven. Okay, garlic bread looking good. Okay, we got the salmon done, the pasta done. Okay, let's go. Woo! Okay, now we have to add the sauce. And then I'm gonna show y'all how I whip it up. Yes. Yeah, this looks so good. Like, hold on, the pot there. You don't gotta get it. Y'all, this looks so good. It's crazy. Oh, yes. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie. And the garlic bread is done.
3 hours later.
Okay, y'all. She finally want to get up and help when it's time to make something sweet. See how they do?
She's controlling, y'all. I don't know if y'all know it or not, but she's controlling. She just had to take over everything, so I just let her be.
Oh, I don't care. Oh, excuse me. This bowl really went for that. It was for me to melt the butter.
Well, melted is something else. I thought it was for
Open the
this.
cabinet and give me a bowl.
So what was you finna put your cookies in?
You supposed to put them. No. Open the other side.
Which one you want? This one?
Yeah.
I'm sorry. I was supposed to put them in here.
Don't smoke. Cause
I don't know what she's talking about, child. I was supposed to put them in here. Cause it's so I pour them on over.
Nah, you keep them in there. Now you got me. Alright. Dang, bro. I can't even get the butter. Okay, y'all. So for dessert, we will be making cookie brownies. That right there. We got those.
Okay, I need 2 tablespoons.
Dang.
See, listen. Look, you just get the tablespoons of water. Cause you about to sing.
Okay, cool. Say no more.
Yeah, cause that ain't gonna work.
That's oh my god, y'all, this is such a bad idea. What are we doing right now? Okay, I got the 3 tablespoons of butter right here. We have to melt it. I'm gonna melt the butter.
And while she's doing that, I'm making the brownie part. Okay. I need 2 tablespoons of water.
For what?
My brownies.
Oh. Move it. Move that oil. Y'all don't know that. Okay, for mine. Oh, hold on. Got my butter, it's melted. I gotta add 2 tablespoons. What is it? Oh,
2 tablespoons of water
first. 1. You gotta count. 2. Okay, cool. And I'm gonna add my butter in there with it. Alright, make sure you flick the wrist, okay? She done put this in a small bowl. I can't even mix it like I supposed to.
Excuses.
Oh, what you trying to say? This a challenge? Oh, see, look, you making me drop it in there.
It's not a challenge because we have to see different things. And I started before you.
I think I gotta add some more water to this.
Okay, y'all, so I think my brownies are in the game.
I bet they. No shade though. It's crazy. I'm having a hard time on it. We can't never get that right. Okay, y'all, we got it all together. And, this is how the cookie part look, and that's how the brownie mix look. And we're just gonna mix them together now.
I'm gonna spray the pan.
And she's gonna spray the pan with the butter. And I'm just gonna mix it together.
I mean, nothing got in it. It's just floating.
Okay.
Okay, so now we just pour it.
Wait, hold on. We need to spray the pan somewhere. Gotta make sure you got enough so it don't stick.
I know how much butter I'm gonna use.
Okay, and then y'all, after this, we're gonna put them in the oven. We're about to eat our food. Gonna wait for the brownies to cook and get done and stuff. And I'm gonna let y'all know how this food tastes because I'm ready to eat. I'm hungry and it's smelling real nice in here. Say bye, Jazz. Well, see you soon. Okay, y'all, I just got done eating. Well, we just got done eating. The food was so good, y'all. I can barely talk right now. My stomach is about to pop. Look at her. She just walked in the kitchen. How was it? Y'all, no, for real. Seriously, that pasta was so good.
I just had 2 plates.
You had 2. I had 1 big plate, and I don't even eat that much. I don't know what was just going on.
I don't eat that much.
So,
maybe I was just hungry.
The pasta was good, y'all. Now we're waiting on the brownies, and they're are they done in there? Hold on now. Okay, I'm about to get those out. Everything was good. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I really enjoyed doing this video. I hope somebody try the recipe, the seasonings, all of that. Let me know how it turned out. This will conclude day 2 of Vlogmas. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on that bell so you're notified tomorrow for day 3 and all the rest of these days, because I will have new content every day for you guys. And that's just been on it. Period.